In this video, we'll demonstrate how to unblock someone on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to unblock someone on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into the tutorial steps. Open the X app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy. In the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety. Click on Mute and Block. Choose Blocked Accounts. You'll see a list of blocked accounts. To unblock someone, tap on the red Blocked button next to their account. Confirm the unblocking process for that account. Following these steps, you'll successfully unblock someone on X. It's a straightforward process whether you're using an iOS or Android device. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and valuable guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.